Hi everyone! We are here in Lake Loclomond in Bella Vista, Arkansas. This is the favorite place of Coco here. We came here every day so he can swim and play. This is not too far from our house. It's just like 3 minutes away. And we live across that hills. There's one street on that hills and there we live just across that hill. So we are not too far from this lake, and this is our sky tonight here. Look at that. And this is the Lake Granton Park, or the Granton Park here in Bella Vista, Arkansas. By the way, our lake tonight are almost empty. They drain the water here because I think they're gonna fix something here, or any of this homeowner probably need to fix their dock. So look at that. And this one too. This dock usually is on that side, but they moved here last week, and look at this side. It's very muddy. This is my first time to see this lake very empty, and probably I just don't see the announcements about the draining water. This is the biggest lake here in Bella Vista, Arkansas, USA. So look at that. And there's some fish here. Look at that. I don't know what happened to the other lake. Oh, there's a big fish over there. Like a bass. I think that's a big bass. And Coco is over there. Yes, that's Coco. He really loves this lake. So every day, as long as I don't work or I don't have work, we came here. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing in our channel. Oh, there's little fish here.